Hope you all are doing good. And this is going to be a series of Python tutorial, absolutely for beginners. Yeah, if you are a starter in Python, then this is exactly for you. Okay, since this is an introduction video, let's see the history of Python. Python is developed by Guido van Rossum, who is from Netherlands, and it was started. The development of Python was started in late 1980s, and it was implemented in 1989 December. And the actual release date of Python is 1990 Feb. The name Python is the name Python doesn't have that much scene like Java or C or C++. They all have some story behind their names, but the Python don't have that much stories behind it. The developer Guido van Rossum of Python is a huge fan of a TV show, famous TV show of that time, Monty Python's Flying Circus. It is a comic show, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So he gave the name Python for what he developed. The usage of Python, it is used in a wide range for web development, not the whole, it for the server side, and software development, system scripting, machine learning, artificial intelligence, etc. etc. Companies that use Python are Google, Dropbox, Yahoo, NASA, Instagram, Instacart, Spotify, Uber, Netflix, Pinterest, so and so. Why Python is that much famous? Because it is easy for understanding. We can understand it easily. How we understand English, how we understand Tamil, how we understand our mother tongue, it is that easy to understand Python. And it supports huge development platforms like Windows, Linux, Raspberry Pi, Mac, so and so. And comparing to other languages like C, C++, and Java, Python is very easy to learn, to code, to understand. So Python is becoming very famous. We all think that Java is a old language and Python is a new language, since we are not using Python that much. But nowadays Python is very famous. But in in reality, Python is developed before Java. Java is developed in late 1999 or something, I guess. But Python started its development in 1980. And there are many IDEs for using Python editors like PyCharm, Atom, Visual Studio Code, so and so. But here in this series of tutorial, we are going to use Atom. You people can install it, or you can also use whatever the IDE that you prefer. And Python is you can install Python, which is an open source software. This is the link to download Anaconda Python package. You can download it from here. If you are using a Windows, then you can go for this, or Mac. This is for Mac, this is for Windows, and this is for Linux. What I prefer is downloading the graphical installer rather than the command line installer. If you prefer command line installer, that's absolutely okay, that's fine. You can install what you want. Okay, this is enough for this video. Let's see in next video. Thank you, bye bye.